Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to put pictures side by side in Word. Now this is really easy to do, and the first thing you want to do is come up to the top here and select Insert. Then you want to select Table here, and this drop down box will appear, and we want to select 2 by 1 as we want to put two pictures side by side. Now let's come back to the Home tab and highlight the first box and then press the center button here. Let's do that with the second box also, as I want both pictures to be centered. Let's select the first box again, then come back to the Insert, drop the picture down, and you can select Picture, Stock Image or Online Picture. We'll go with a picture as it's on our desktop. We'll find a location on the desktop, select it and then press Insert. Now normally if the picture is very big like this, you'll need to resize it, and you can do this with all the dots in each corner, or you can come up to the top right hand corner here in the size section and adjust it like this. So we'll make this 6.5 centimeters, and now we'll add a second image. So let's select the second box, come back to Insert, Picture again, we'll select the same image to keep it simple. Now we'll need to make the image smaller again, so we'll do that, 6.5 centimeters. Now if you don't want to see the black outline, all you need to do is highlight the box, press this little square in the top left hand corner, right click it, come down to Table Properties, then Border and Shading, and on the settings on the left select None, then OK and OK again, and the box will disappear like that. So that's how to put pictures side by side in Word. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.